This is Gordon Bio, and he's making muscles. He likes to work out like Daddy. Yeah, show them. Yeah, see, he pulls that up. Look at that. Look at that. You are strong, Gordon. And you make noise just like your dad. He comes out here and does this on his own. You be careful. You're not even 2 yet. Oh, you're making muscles. Oh, be careful. Big, strong stomach muscles, right? Is that fun? Is that a lot of fun? You like that? No? Okay. You don't want me to take pictures of you? Okay, I'll stop.